Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Andalusia local and long-distance movers near me. When it's time to move, you need the right, cheap Andalusia moving company. 3 Movers is not only affordable, but also dependable. We know how to get you moved efficiently. Whether you're moving an apartment, home, business, dorm room, equipment, or even a piano, we can help. Our team of professional movers works with veterans, students, renters, homeowners, and business owners regularly. Choosing to let us provide you with long-distance moving services means you gain access to the following options. Packing services. Our team can do the packing and the unpacking for you and save you a ton of time. Moving supplies. We provide the best moving supplies for all your items, no matter how fragile. An on-time move. With our help, you get to move on schedule without any delays. We also make sure your moving day is never canceled. Upfront pricing. Our moving estimates give you transparent pricing you can work with to budget for your move. Licensed and insured. With us, your belongings will all be protected throughout the entire moving process. If you're ready to move to the next state over or several states away, we can help. Our team understands that relocating isn't easy. With our help, you get the moving services you need to make it less stressful when you need to relocate 100 miles away or further. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Andalusia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.